Hey lash artists, if you're new to lashing but feel completely overwhelmed by the amount of supplies there is out there, don't worry, I got you. Today, I'm giving you a peek inside what's in my lash cart and sharing all of the products I'd recommend for beginners. Let's start off with one of the most important things, lashes, obviously. I'm gonna be recommending 4 of our matte classic lash trays. 2 of them are gonna be 0.15 diameter, 8 to 15 millimeter, 1 C curl and 1 CC curl. The other 2 trays are gonna be 0.12, again, 8 to 15 millimeter, 1 C curl and 1 CC curl. You're gonna wanna use 0.15 for all your clients who have strong natural lashes like this, and 0.12 for all of your clients with weaker natural lashes like this. As for curls, you're going to want to use C curl on clients who have very lifted natural lashes, and you're going to want to use CC curl for clients who have downturned or straight natural lashes but want a noticeable lift. Once you get familiar with lashing, I highly recommend stocking up on more curls and diameters, but for now, this will get you by and is a great place to start. Next up, let's talk about tweezers. My top 2 beginner-friendly recommendations are our Crane Ultra for pickup and Sunset for isolation. The reason I suggest these 2 is because they're both super lightweight, have a fine pointed tip, making it easy to sift through the lashes and isolate, and also they have a really nice curvature, making it easy to work around facial features. Okay, let's talk about lash adhesives. So, it's really important to make sure that you use a slower cure time glue in the beginning because our movements are going to be slower, especially when it comes to pickup and placement. So we need a glue that's going to match our speed. These are a couple of my go-tos that have a slower cure time, and honestly, if you guys know me, you know that I personally love lashing with a slower cure time glue, even with being an experienced lash artist who's been lashing for over 7 years. Invisibond has always been my go-to adhesive. It's a 2 to 3 second cure time, and I love it because it bonds super well, has amazing retention, and it has never done me wrong. So if you're looking for a recommendation, I recommend Invisibond, but any one of these 3 are amazing. Now let's talk about which glue holder you should use. You have the options between a jade stone, glue rings, or a crystal glue holder. It's totally up to you which one you prefer, although I will say if you do choose to use glue rings, make sure they're spill resistant. As you guys know, glues are definitely not cheap, so it's important that we take care of them to the best of our abilities. So you're gonna want to pick up some glue wipes and a glue home. Glue wipes because you can wipe the nozzle after every time you use your adhesive. Don't skip this step, otherwise you're gonna be really unhappy when you come into work one day and you try to open up your glue lid and it's stuck to the glue bottle. And I'm totally not speaking from personal experience. And having a glue home on hand is just as important because our glues can be quite temperamental when it comes to temperature changes. So you don't want to leave your adhesive out on your cart overnight or even in between clients. So what you want to do is you want to take your glue out of its glue home, place your glue drop, and put it right back in its home, safe and sound. Now, enough about glues, let's move on to iPads. We have 4 different iPads that we offer here at Lost Artistry, and I have one recommendation that's gonna get you through almost any service, and that is our standard gel iPads. I recommend these guys because they're sticky but not too sticky. They're amazing for pulling back the layers for isolation techniques, and you could also remove them at the end of the service with ease. So those are my go-tos. Oh, also a little bonus about our standard gel iPads, they also contain collagen, so your clients are getting a nice under-eye treatment with every single service. Who doesn't want that? Moving on to primers and bonders. This is absolutely essential because this is one of the factors that's going to help boost your retention, in turn, keep your clients coming back. To start off, I'm going to recommend our 2-in-1 Superbonder. It's amazing because it can be used as not only a primer pre-service, but can also be used as a Superbonder post-service as well. And this will help lock in glue fumes, add elasticity to the bond, and overall improve your retention. In fact, I also sell Superbonder to my clients so they can use it at home to help boost their retention every single day. So there you have it. That's what's in my cart as a beginner lash artist. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring that bell. Thanks so much for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.